Affect is to influence. Effect is the result of something. Affect, cold weather can affect crops. Effect, the medicine had side effects. Look, to direct our eyes on purpose. See, notice visually. Look at the stars. See, I see clouds in the sky. Hear, perceive sound, listen, pay attention to sound. Hear, I can hear birds singing. Listen to the teacher. Say, speak words, tell, inform someone. Say, she said hello. Tell, she tells me stories. Bring, carry toward here, take, carry away. Bring me that file. Take this note to her. Buy, get with money, purchase, formal buying. Buy, I will buy a phone. Purchase, they purchased land. Borrow, take temporarily, lend, give temporarily. Borrow, can I borrow your pen? Lend, I will lend you my pen. See, notice without effort, watch, observe carefully. See, I see a rainbow. Watch, we watched the movie. See. Speak, formal or one way, talk, casual conversation. Speak, she speaks Spanish. Talk, let's talk later. Start, initiate casually, begin, formal or planned. Start the car. Begin, the class begins at 9. Big, informal size, large, formal size or measurement. Big, that is a big house. Large, the room has a large window. End, point where something stops, finish, complete an action. End, the movie ended late. Finish, I finished my homework. Quick, happening in a short time, fast, high speed. Quick, she gave a quick reply. Fast, the car is very fast. Job, specific employment role, work, general tasks or duties. Job, he got a new job. Work, I have a lot of work to do. House, building, home, place you live and feel belonging. House, they built a big house. Home, my home is in the city.